Check my Veneers. You know vibes cartel.
Hey fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up, Shenseea got her teeth sorted out. Also, Shenseea in Dubai. So, if you guys haven't noticed, Jamaican artist Shenseea recently got veneers. Your girl teeth are now extra white and pearly. Watch this clip and let me know what you guys think in the comment section.
Okay, I have no filter on. Check my Veneers.
I truly think when you work hard, you deserve the best. And Shen has been treating herself a lot lately. In case you guys didn't know, Shenseea recently bought herself a Lambourghini. So she has definitely been bringing in those heavy coins. In another setting, Shenseea was recently seen in Dubai, where she performed and seemed to have been on a mini vacation. I must say, I love seeing her with these fox locks. It gives her a nice, clean look. Here is a short clip of her performing in Dubai.
What about vibes cartel? Let me see if you know vibes cartel. XO. Yeah.
Better than I would expect. If you've ever been to Dubai, share your experience in the comments section. Now guys, check out this clip of Shenseea performing in the Isle of Spice, Grenada a few weeks ago. You have made it to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.